Guys want cheap and reliable coins, go to EasyFoot and use your code IO for 5% off. That is so cheap. Guys, what is going on? This is your boy FIFA Life here. It's not FIFA Life, is it anymore? It's not. I haven't made a video in such a long time, but thanks for tuning in. Oh, I'm going full screen right here. Let me just explain the app for you. This is what you call Mobizen. I'm using it to record my screen right now, so I can do whatever I want. I'm going full screen right here, so now you can see everything that I'm doing. You can see everything that I'm doing on my. I'm going right and left. This is the pack I just opened. That's me on Facebook. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing a 100k pack opening. I'm going to do it till I get to 624,000 coins. So yeah, let's get it. Tell me you can see that. Yeah, I haven't charged my phone, so I'm gonna keep saying that for a while, but hopefully it doesn't get too annoying. Oh, it's done it again. So let's get into this pack opening. We're going to be opening 7.5k packs. Yeah, let's get into this first pack. Let's get into this first pack. Alright. Whoa. That was a good one. Alright. Bad pack. Ooh. So that was low. Okay. Next pack. Okay, Amigo, while you're editing this, I think you should edit to the next pack. Okay. Mignolet. Oh, never mind. I thought it was a good ball. It was like a. Keep this. Oh, I can change it. And suddenly back to it. Alright, well, let's get into this third pack. Minero. Right, I'm just gonna discard all these. These are crap packs. Alright. Get into another 7.5k pack, lads. Come on, man. Oh, discard all that. Alright, 7.5. Come on, need something good. Oh, that's bad. Oh, why did they make a separate kit then? They have, no man. They have a separate kit for freaking, what's it? FC Barcelona B runners. Why does it keep doing that? Oh. Quick sell all this because it's not of any use to me. After a few packs I'll show you my Bundesliga team, which is absolutely amazing. What did we get? Vidal? Nope, I'm not having that. I opened a few packs before and I got a team of the week and another what do you call it? I think it's a hero card. It's not a hero card, is it? Something else. It's like a turquoise card. If it doesn't stop doing that, lad, I'll actually rage. I won't rage. I won't rage on camera anyways. Hassan, what is this? Yep. Why am I not surprised? I'm not even surprised. Let's connect into this again. Hold on. My name is E-Double. I hope everyone's doing well. If you haven't copped the mixtape, can you hide the two? Let's get into the pack opening again. Their name is PJ Harvey. Alright, let me show you a few more things you can do on this app. I think you can control it from here. Can you control it from here? No, with all the things you can now. Days again. All these packs, yeah, you can only use again. It's to stop unplugging. All these ones you have to open with FIFA points. So yeah, we don't have to load the coins because obviously the coins are better and cheaper. So nope. Oh, I'd be so happy if I pack an inform while I'm recording. I'd be so happy. I knew I'll pack something good while I'm recording. I knew I'll pack something good. Yeah, this is the guy I said I packed before. Don't know what the heck type of card this is. But oh my days, yes! Yes! Let me take this off the screen. Oh yes! Oh yes, there you go. Alright, that's even good. Oh, that's trade files for. Hold on. Let me go on. Let's open some more packs. Oh, it's a sign. Okay. I have to go and clear. Oh, stop doing that! I have to go clear my transfer thing. Trade power. I see all the people that I've sold right now. I've sold all these guys. Para. I sold them for cheap as well. 3k. Oh yeah, I packed 2 informs the other day. I bought sold them for 11.6. Sold them for 10.5. I sold this guy for 2.1. I don't know how he sold because he only got 3-star skill, 3-star skill, 3-star weak foot, 3-star skill moves. I mean, speaking. Oh yeah, I bought 2 mullers by accident, so I had to sell one of them, which was a striker muller, which I should have sold the set midfielder muller. Well. Marquinhos 3k again. Oh yeah, I packed him as well. He took someone for 30k. This guy literally, I was so surprised when I packed him. These are all packed players. Oh yeah, and then I got him. My boy Tadic. I packed him as well. Let's store this guy cool actually. Why hasn't we sold it? 954. Alright, let's clear this. Heritage go. I really want to keep the show people. Miller can go. This guy can go too. Yep. Should be. Oh my days. What do you want? Alright, sorry, my sister's disturbing me. Alright, let's get this guy to the auction, please. Alright, 9 quick selling for now, so force. Alright, let's try to get into this again. If you like my content, just make that red button white again, because I think if you guys keep watching me, I think I'll grow, keep going, then maybe I'll get into the big leagues. So yeah, you don't have, I'm not forcing you to like anything. You don't like my content, don't watch my videos and all that. So yeah. I think I'll show you guys the next part later. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll see you later. Let me just turn it up. Wait, let me get this up. Right. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Peace.